Sayan Nakano. Sayan will first share his work with you, what he has done during his IDP, and then he will be addressed by the supervisor, Dr. Maria Coelho-Soares.
Down.
First of all, thank you to all of you for being a part of such a memorable ceremony. And I would just like to share a small incident. When I was applying for this PDN ceremony, like PDN program, I realized that it is very difficult to get into the program. And fortunately, when I made it to the program, I realized now it is very difficult to get out of the program. Believe me, it was a childhood dream for me to come to TU Delft. Not a bachelor's dream, like I would say a childhood dream for me to come to TU Delft and attend this course. So for me, it's a big day. A big day. Really a big day. Big day is, like a big day. I mean, I don't have even words how much big it is. This year has been also a phenomenal year for me. Not only I am getting a PDN degree, but I also got married this year. So PDN degree was very lucky for me. And now let us talk about some of my work which I did. The project which I did was very confidential, highly confidential, and I had to be very confident to design this confidential. So my project says that I had to design a downstream process for a fermentative product. And you can sense the confidentiality level even in the title. And why it was second generation? Because they already had a first generation process with them. Like they already had a first version of a process with them, and they wanted to have a second generation process which they can compare with the first generation process. I did my project in DSM, and the first generation process which was developed by DSM was not very optimized because they wanted to enter market as soon as possible with that product. So they didn't really had a time to look into the technical details to optimize it. Hence, they wanted a second generation process which is very economical in terms of capex, opex, and also in terms of sustainability. So this is how the concept of my project was generated. And what I did in my second generation process was to give a conceptual design of the downstream processing for that particular product. And when I'm designing conceptual design, my basic goal was to have capex and opex reduced by half of the first generation process. So, and the methodology or the approach which I took for designing this process was, after giving the conceptual design, I had to do experiments to validate that conceptual design, and after generating data from that experiments, I had to generate a simulation model on SuperPro tool, and then finally giving a cost model to DSM so that they can also do the comparative analysis for the first generation process. That was my methodology. And what was my outcomes is that through my design process, we could identify the major cost driving factors in the first generation process, and proof of concept, like the second generation process was altogether a new one, so proof of concept we could give to DSM, and finally I gave a cost model so that for future also, if they want to compare with the first generation process or that subsequent generation processes, they can do. So this was my design project outcomes. And finally, I would like to thank my supervisors under whom I learned a lot. Supervisors from TU Delft was Maria Coelho and Professor Adri Startov, and also from DSM. It was a huge experience set of supervisors I had, and I really learned and enjoyed while learning from them. And finally, I would also like to thank my colleagues, my friends and my family, especially PDN's colleagues, who have bagged me a lot with my terrible singing. Also the jokes which I used to crack, and on those only I used to laugh at most of the time. Thank you.